down to the river. Hi everybody, we're back with William today.
Hello.
And he's going to show us something extremely special. I know you guys all love a mill.
Yeah.
So we're at a mill, mulino.
Mulino.
Yeah, in Italian. And we're about 10 minutes from Pontremoli.
Yes.
So full disclosure, I'm a little nauseous because there was a road, they're fixing the
Yes.
road. So there's a detour. So we drove for an extra 10 minutes
Yes.
behind you, driving like a crazy person.
No.
I was so happy because I almost threw up.
Yeah.
It's a little car sick. Yes. No, don't say no. Yes, I was almost car sick. So tell us a little bit about the Mulino that is for sale behind us. It's really adorable. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, we are in the Green Valley. This watermill is completely restored.
It's so cool.
We have 3 bedrooms
Oh, really? It's really neat.
and we have about 25,000 square meters of land.
Is this an outbuilding?
Yeah, this is to be finished inside.
Okay.
With a lots of potential.
Okay. How much is this?
340,000 euro.
Negotiable.
Negotiable.
I know you always say that. Negotiable. Okay, grading. Wow, this is cool. My dogs would hate it, but oh my God, this is so giallo.
Yeah.
It's giallo. Well, we're changing the paint immediately because being a little nauseous and seeing this green color is not good right now. I'm a little. All right, so this is a living room.
Yeah, it's a small living room, okay.
Uh-huh.
This mill is very, very old, more than 300 years. Very strange because the water mill are on a different level. It's on the multiple level because on the staircase we have the original stone mill. Now are outside on the garden, okay. We have a loft upstairs. Unfortunately, it's not possible up the level for the restriction, okay, because it's very old.
And when was it renovated?
About 15 years ago, about.
15 years ago.
Yeah,
Okay.
completely. We have one bathroom here.
And then back here is the bedroom.
Actually, we have the main bedroom, okay, actually, but maybe we can change the,
Right, the floor plan.
yeah, the floor
I
plan.
see.
Is it too much bigger for the
Oh, wow.
bedroom? And
Big.
we have directly view on the river.
Yeah, I agree with you. I think
Yeah.
the floor plan could be rejigged a bit.
Yes.
Yeah, because having the bathroom sort of, I mean,
Yeah,
it could have, the bathroom could have been back
Exactly,
there, and
exactly.
yeah, the bigger living room, and
Exactly.
yeah, okay. There's a little terrace off
Yes.
the bedroom here
yeah.
that you can sit and hear the river and stuff. It is a very pretty setting, I
Yeah,
will say.
yeah.
Very, very pretty. It just needs a little rejigging, a little redecorating. We're going downstairs.
Yeah.
This is the kitchen. Semi-death stairs. You know, did you notice he knows how to negotiate these? I always get really nervous. And the kitchen is down here. It's a little humid in here. I always wonder about molinos,
it's a-
that they're humid.
All the water mill are humid, but
Right.
in this particular case, the restoration it's very good.
Uh-huh.
For that, we don't find dumped at the house because they're very expensive material.
Yeah, so that's the good thing about having William, because you know that they know how to construct things
Yeah.
for humidity here.
Yes.
And which is something that Americans sort of aren't used to because we don't live in, you know, big old stone houses
Yes.
with walls this thick that absorb the humidity.
Yeah.
But I always say that Italians are very good at eliminating the humidity.
Exactly.
They use things under the floor.
Exactly.
They, you know, to make air circulate.
Exactly.
They use things behind the walls to make air circulate. So
Special
it circulates,
plaster.
exactly, special plaster. Well, I think we're going to learn some things from you that I did not know.
When they restore the property, have a restore with a special iron gate, okay?
Right.
For the earthquake law.
The earthquake chains, they call it
Yes.
in Italian, but it's really,
Catene per antisismica.
right, but it's actually their rods. When there's an earthquake, instead of the house going like this, it all moves together, right? I'm like a geometra.
Yeah, you can.
Well, after I did that renovation, I am a geometra. Nice doors. It's very nice quality.
Yeah, the quality is top.
Quite very nice. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. It's like a Japanese painting over there. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh,
summer,
wow.
winter,
Oh
spring.
my God, you don't need a swimming pool. It's right here. This is spectacular. Wow. I mean, I would just sit out here. This would be like, who cares about the house? I mean, look at that. It's like a Japanese painting. Wow. 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 Wow, 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 wow. So you could just go swimming. There's your swimming pool.
Yeah.
You just go sit in there in the summer.
Here in the
Chill
top
out.
level, yes.
Over there.
Yes.
That's beautiful. I would go over there. Oh my God. I love it. Can you go fishing? You think there's fish
Fruit.
here? There are trout?
Yeah.
Done. Sold. Oh my gosh, this is cool. Yeah, I will say the quality is quite
Yeah.
good. I'm looking around. Very good materials.
And this is like a dependance
Yeah, this is nice though.
with a bathroom and bedroom.
Put the guests up there, upstairs. I would be here. I mean, the view out the window is insane. One of the things I have to say is, you know, this is an old mill.
Yeah.
And so there are very strict rules.
Yeah.
And you can't make like big windows.
Yes.
How strict are those rules? So what if I made this all glass?
Yeah.
What would happen to me? Like, would I go to jail? Would I get a fine? Like, seriously, let's say I wanted to make like, just like push this out and make it all glass. So when I woke up in the morning, I would hear the Japanese river next to
Yeah.
me. Would I go to jail? Would I get a fine?
Yeah, we need to ask before from the council and ask from the Genio Civile because we touch the main structure. Okay.
Okay.
If we have the permission, we can enlarge and we can make the procedure.
So can we just like show up with like a sack full of money at the comune and just say,
No,
here's
not on the
10,000
not-
euros?
Not on the Comune,
No.
but on the Genio Civile.
So maybe we take him out to dinner
Yeah,
and then maybe we have a suitcase of money
yeah,
and we give that to him.
exactly.
Okay, well then done. Because that's what I would do here. I mean, you would have to have something that you can just sit out on.
Yeah, I just want to know what the punishment is because
Yeah.
I'm definitely doing it.
Yeah, I would be willing to pay a fine to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sit out there and relax, read a book, have a cup of tea. I love it though. This sold it for me right here, believe it or
Yeah.
not. How crazy. It's like the lower level sold it to me. Never happens. That's a photo. Photo op. I can just see walking in there, being naked, nobody sees you here. You could be naked, nobody sees you.
With a beer cozy, and you would just be out there.
This is lovely to have dinner by the river. I can't. I mean, whack all that down, right? So you can really see the river. You put a table here at night, candles, listen to the river. How romantic is that? I love this mill. I think it's fantastic. This is fab.
Yeah, we need to change the floor plan inside.
You and I will do that. Let's do
Yeah.
it. This is the outbuilding.
Yes.
So it's even more square footage.
Yeah, it's about 70 square meter. It's 2 floor. We can make like an detached apartment with kitchen, living room, and 1 bedroom and bathroom.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think so. And you could make a pizza oven.
Yeah, because we have the oven here.
So pizza oven's here.
Yes.
Love that.
This is the original pizza oven.
And you could also do like a big long table. I mean, there's so many things you could do here. This is great. I might clear this out
Yeah, and make a good
and
parking.
make no, not a parking. Make this into like a seating area as well with a pergola.
Ah, yes.
And then you have a pizza
Yes.
party.
Of course.
Because that's what I do at my house. I have the terrace, and then I have the pizza oven, and we have a pizza party there. And another, I would do another sitting area here.
Yeah.
Big long table, few sofas, hang out here, listen to the river.
Yeah.
That's for breakfast or dinner. I have it all worked out. Once again,
Yeah.
you know what
Thank
that
you.
is?
Yeah. And baseball.
Baseball. They have baseball now in Italy. So you knocked it out of the park again.
Yeah.
I love this mill. I think for the price, negotiable.
Yes.
It's done. I mean, it's move-in ready. If you want to, shift it around, you can. Do some of my ideas. You have a pizza oven already here.
Yeah.
Renovation ready to happen here. So it's a little cute mini project if you want a project. Great location, 10 minutes from Pontremoli, except if there's a detour, then it's a Pukey ride. Other than that, it's great. So thank you so much for joining us. And if you got this far, don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you at the next location,
Yes.
okay? Ciao.